Kamal Desapre. I am 22 years old. I am MIG welder. I have a MIG welder South Korea 5 years and Sri Lanka. Thank you.
What's your name?
Kamal.
Yeah, Kamal now he is going to start the practical. This is our sample. We are going to check here flood position and we are going to check the vertical position. Now he is going to start the practical. Okay, sir, we start. Yeah. Now you turn that side. Okay, he has done his flood position. Very good. Now we are going to check the vertical position. Okay. He has done vertical position. Very neat. I think. What's your name?
Kamal.
Kamal, I can recommend he has done two position very well. In flood position and vertical position. I think he had been Korea in 5 years in Sri Lanka, a shipping yard in Korea. I can recommend he is a very good MIG welder. Thank you. I'm from senior engineer from Tesco. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.